The second season of Hamster Kombat is now live and running. And for those of you that play the Interlude season, Snapshot is coming also very soon. And of course, you will be rewarded for it. Now, we don't know if the rewards will be DOS or USDT, but the fact is that there will be a reward for that. But anyways, guys, welcome back to the channel. And, okay, and welcome to another cryptocurrency video. As you guys already know, we're speaking about the Hamster Kombat. Now it's time to scrap out that combat and just call it the Hamster Verse, because now it's bigger than we knew it to be. And this has already made some new movement on the charts for the Hamster token. So, I mean, big things may just be coming for Hamster Kombat. Finally, with the help of all other tap games on the Telegram network, all of the bad and sour news on the Hamster Kombat ecosystem is finally fading away bit by bit. People are now like saying, even Hamster Kombat did not collect a damn for us and they gave us dust. How much more the other people that collected all of our money and what still gave us dust. So many of the projects that listed after Hamster Kombat are somehow just giving Hamster Kombat redemption. But anyways, their season 2, which is called the Hamster Verse, is now out, and in this video I'm going to show you guys everything about it. Now, if you're still watching, make sure you smash that like and hit that subscribe. It really helps a lot. Thank you. Now let's get right into it. Now, as you guys can see, Hamster Verse, I'm now on the mini app on Telegram, and you can see everything is here. It says Hamster Boost, Hamster Interlude, Hamster Game Dev Heroes, Hamster Fight Club, and Hamster King. Now, 2 of the things over here are still in their closed beta stages, which means only a few selected people are allowed to play this one, to test it, to see the bots. But for the other ones, we're already on the open beta, which means everyone can now have a chance to test the game. There might still be bots, it might still be laggy a little bit, but all of those will be solved as time goes on. Now, there's one thing I'm always very positive about with Hamster Kombat. Now, this is not about listing coins, token, money, and all of those things. It's about their interface. Their interface is one of the best I've seen so far on the Telegram network. And that's what made, honestly, people do not think much about it. But that interface, the tapping comfort and all of those things was what made many people ball into it. I mean, who thought it would pay them an arm and a leg or whatever? Who thought Amsterdam was going to buy the Lamborghini or something? But then the interface attracted lots of people, made people glued to the screens. And then at the end of the day, it made people start believing, oh, I can make all of the money with this if I tap well on this. But anyways, their interface, I must really, really applaud them. It is beautiful. I've not yet shown you guys the game. I've been grinding already, but there's a lot of this to talk about. Now, this is the Hamster Verse. This is the interface of the Hamster Verse. We will not go into the Hamster Boost and the Hamster King because they are still on the closed beta, so only a few selected people were selected. I wasn't even selected to do it, so concern us. But anyways, the Hamster Interlude is the first one, which you all know is where we're going into first. So this was the one where we were collecting diamonds. Now, I have been managing to collect so much diamonds as I can collect. And you guys know PP, profit per hour, is always important than how much diamonds you have. So if you're out there and you've been collecting so much diamonds, packing all of it, go straight away and use everything to upgrade all of your cards. How do you go there? Playground, mine cards, and upgrade everything. I managed to upgrade as much as I could to level 15, and I tried to not miss any cards, but at the end of the day, I missed one. So that's what I've been trying to do so far. This one is still on level 14. Happy holidays. I'm just accumulating a few tokens to get to 8,000, and I'm going to upgrade it. But guys, we're not here because of this old one. This one has passed. The Interlude has passed. Snapshot is coming very soon. We're here for the new ones. Okay, so of course you guys can see this is literally the Hamster Verse. The wallet icon is here. It has not been allowed yet. It shows coming soon. Charge is also coming soon, probably. And this is the profile. And in the profile here, they've already transferred all of your old records here. As you can see, Uh, Total Hamster, I earned 1,940 in the first season. To Binance, I got 1,712. What is invested is 227, available on September 26th. So that's still a very, very long time. And now, let's go to the first one. I'm just itching to go to the first one, which is the Hamster Game Dev Heroes. Now, before we go into it, I'll tell you guys, I've been grinding it a little bit and it is lovely. It is lovely. This video might take a lot, but it almost feels like I should make a new video for each game in the Hamster Verse because we cannot cover everything. But I'm going to try my best to just skim through it and just, summarize what we can summarize. And if you guys want me to say more or to talk more, or you have any questions about this game dev, because so far I think this is the one that needs lots of work to be done, just write in the comment section any questions you have, and I'm going to write straight away, and I'll collate the video for just game dev heroes. But without wasting any time, let's go straight into it. Now, this is the interface, and we have our regular tap, 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 tap guy here. But now you're no longer tapping coins. You're tapping, let's call them creativity sets. So the more taps you tap, the faster it generates a new project. First of all, that's too fast. One is the game about. The game is about you getting a team together to develop games. So you get different teams, programmers, creative people, project managers, and blah, 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 to create and develop games. So that is basically all the game is all about. And of course, as you guys can see, this is the home page. You have the project you're running on currently. You have the big quest, which is coming soon. You have the office, which is a collation of all your workers and the ones we know. Remember, we have the HR, which are your workers, and then we have development, like the former game where we upgrade cars and upgrade levels, and then marketing, also you upgrade levels, you update cars, and then we have the specials. Specials is also coming very soon. Now, the thing about this one is that, remember our combo, our daily combos, which was very, very lovely. I know some of you never missed a single daily combo. But anyways, these daily combos right now will give you a reward. So if you complete the combo 1, 2, and 3, you get a reward, which says here combo reward 10. So it's a package of 10. Now, I'm going to go home, back to projects. I did the daily combo for yesterday and we got the surprise. This is the package over here. Then I just kept it to not open it so that I could show you guys in this one. So once you tap, you open each one. So I just got 100K, let's just call it in-game currency for opening the first pack. Second one, XP. Again, another XP. Let me just keep tapping. 100K again. 10 XP. That's blue XP. And there's the green XP. There's the blue. There's a card here. We just got a card right now. 100K once again. And 10 XP, the blue XP. And finally, green one. 3 of it. So we've just opened all of those. So now those things are very important in the ecosystem of this game. They are very, very, very important. But we're going to come back to that one. So now this is the office. These are your team. You can see currently I have over 7 team members. Is that 7? Probably 8 team members already. I still have one more slot available to open, which costs 5.1 million in-game currency. And then you guys can see my stats over here on the top. It says I have 3 developers, 2 artists, and 3 game designers. So you need all of these positions most of the times to be able to create different games at every point in time. Now, every project you work on gives you different rewards. Now, I'm going to show you, I'm coming back all the way to project. You guys can see if I click over here, change project, there is a lot of things that you can create. So, for example, let's just start from the beginning. You can create a regular clicker like Notcoin. You can create a runner, like, if you guys remember, what's the name of that? I forgot it now. But that one, Temple Run. Yes, a runner like Temple Run. puzzles, arcades. You can create different things. And then for each game you want to create, you need a given number of team. For the clicker, you need only one developer, one artist, and one game designer. I hope I'm getting that game designer right. Anyways, but if you want to upgrade your level and you want to create better games that have much more profit, if you look, the profit is clearly there. You need, for example, the visual novel, the story and player choices matters. You know, this is like Assassin's Creed. If you guys played Odysseus, what you choose, you can choose a girl, you can choose a guy, those top games, you know. You need 3 developers, 3 artists, and 2 game designers. So the more of this team you get, the more different games you can create. But anyways, now there's 2 people you can actually use to create games. Let's just call them the PM. They're your project managers. You have the junior PM and the super PM. So the super PM will choose the most profitable projects for you, and the junior one is just enthusiastic to work, you know, and can only make clickers for you. And the super PM, which brings me to the part that Hamster Verse is now collecting stars for upgrades in game. And I'm really positive about this because, I mean, if a project this solid is now having, you know, much more opportunities for funds to be injected into the game indirectly or directly, that would definitely help their ecosystem 100%. Now it regulates on-chain activity, which makes it even huge for gamers, you know, at mass. Now, of course, on the project screen, you guys can see the daily cipher. You guys know this one, the dot dot dot, the long tap, and all of those things. You guys know this ones already. And the daily combo, of course, remember the daily combo can be done now. There's a different way to approach this daily combo. It's not the formal one that you can just pick any card to upgrade it. Now you do not need to upgrade a card to check it for the daily combo. If you guys look up here close to my level 12, I have 107 game pads there. I have 2.26 million and I have 0 gold bars. Now for the daily combo, I'm going to waste 1 game pad for you guys. So for example, let's start with development. For example, let's choose gaming chairs. So to choose a card for the daily combo, you have to use a game pad and use it to add to combo. And if you miss it, you've wasted your game pads. And you get only 10 game pads at the beginning of the game. I've got 106 game pads because I bought some with stars. Okay, so please, you cannot be tapping the daily combos anyhow. It's better to just go online or in group chats and group channels. I'll be posting the daily combos each and every day in my own group channel as well. So you get the memo already. You use game pads to open and to check combos. And when you do that, you get the combo reward of 10 gift packs, surprise packs that would end up giving you XP. Now, I spoke about the XP already. Now, what exactly is the XP for? Let's go to our office once again. Let's choose, for example, Bobby. Now, you can see this green icon